Today we have a 2018 Dodge Charger RT, 12,600 miles, clean auto check. Does come with the balance of factory warranty. If you look at it here, see it does have a nice blacked out grille along with the blacked out fascia on the bottom. It has the smoke looking headlights with the high definition bulbs, the LEDs in there. Another neat thing they did, if you look close, you actually see it says Dodge right on the side of your headlight bulb. That's pretty neat. And we'll give you a look at the tires and the wheels. You do get a 5-spoke dark alloy rim. You have, looks like Firestone Firehawk tires on there. They are around, I would say, half tread. They are a 20-inch tire and wheel combination. And you will notice from the badging that it does have the Hemi engine. If you look at the interior, you will see it's black on black. It does have the cloth bucket seating, black carpets. It does have some brushed aluminum on the door panels and around your vents and your stereo and your shifter. And the back seat is bench style seating, pretty spacious in the back. You do have your heating and air conditioning vents on the back of the console along with a pair of USB ports. And tires in the rear are about the same as the ones on the front, as you can see. And if you look up at the roof, you'll see your fin for your satellite radio. And rather large trunk. Pull the panel up on the floor, you'll see you have your spare tire. If you zip that plastic wing nut loose, you'll have your jack and all your tools underneath there. Your battery is also located back here. And Dodge gives you a little funnel there to fill your fluids up whenever needed. You'll notice it does have the backup cam, which is located right here. And your badging, Charger RT. Does have the backup sensors also. And along with the polished dual exhaust tone chrome tips. And you can see the tires and wheels about the same the whole way around. And give you a look at the interior. You see the driver's door has your power locks, windows, and mirrors. You have your headlight controls, your trunk button, and your interior dimmer switch. And on your steering wheel, you have all your voice recognition controls, your telephone controls, and the heads-up display setting for your instrument panel. That will control that right there. Right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. And the knob that sticks out here to the left is your wipers and your headlights. And you'll notice these little paddles. They are paddle shifters for your gear shift. It is manual, but it is an automatic, excuse me. But if you choose to shift manually, you can do that with those paddles. Give you a little more control of how you drive. It does have the push button start. We'll push that to light the dash up here to give you a look. We'll see the current mileage is 12,665. And we'll show you the audio display screen. You do have your driver and passenger side heated seating that you can control from there. You do have all your apps and your media. You can sync your phone and your iPods and everything right through that screen. Down here you have your stereo controls. You have your parking assist button where you can turn it on or off, traction control, sport mode, front and rear defrost, and your heating and air conditioning controls. Below that you have a cubby with a 12-volt power source and your shifter. Behind your shifter you have a pair of cup holders, and you do have a center console with 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port in there. It does have a removable tray. If you pull the tray out, you have another 12-volt power source underneath that tray. And if you choose to, you can cover those cup holders up with that sliding lid. And of course, driver and passenger side airbags. It does have a button here up on the roof where you can program your garage doors. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the engine and give you a look out there. Probably tell from when I fired it up, it does have the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. So all you guys know your Dodges know that it's been around pretty much forever. They really have it tuned up now though. Putting in these cars, you get pretty amazing fuel economy with them, and with the power and the fuel economy, it's a pretty nice combination to have. And you can see the LED lights. I'm going to walk around this car one more time and show you any imperfections that are on it, in case you may be interested in coming out to take a look. Again, it is a 2018 model, so there's probably not going to be too much to show you. We'll see what we have. Tiny scuffs on the top of the back bumper. They have been polished out, so they're not real noticeable. It's a pretty common spot to have a scuff or two just from people loading things in and out of the trunk. That's about the only thing I see to show you. If you or somebody you know that's interested in a Charger, this one's definitely pretty sharp. If you want to come out and take a look, maybe set up a test drive, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the website www.thomasata.com. Thank you.